Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today in today video we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 9. So first of all we will open our instruction file, then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today video we will discuss XP 25 Excel chapter 9 Amble 1 expenses, and just make that colorful so it must be visible. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? In today assignment we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 question in graded part and question number 20 is non-graded one, in which we have to save and close our file then submit. Okay, so we have 20 question in today assignment. Let me move to the top and start this assignment step by step. So in today video we will discuss XP25 Excel chapter 9 ML1 expenses, and here is project description. So we just increase its size and change its color. So it must be visible. Then we have to read project description so we can get idea. Okay, you carefully track your income and expenses for 3 months using one worksheet per month. The worksheet contain a same expenses category. You use miscellaneous category to include a variety of expenses including vacation in June. for, for each month you calculated the difference between your income and expenses as you were saving for your vacation in June. So and now you want to create 3-month summary to analyze your spending habits. So all these are simply instruction or description about the project, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. We have to read that description. Okay, whenever we read we get idea that what we have in today assignment, how we have to solve that one. Now we are just moving to graded part. Steps to perform instructions. So in question number 1, start Excel and then download and open file name, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of a file name. Now we have to first download, as we have downloaded already from Pearson, we have to open that one. Okay, it is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Before you focus on second quarter expenses, you want to hide first quarter's worksheet. Okay, so that was simply instruction about question number 2. Okay, our main part of question number 2 is start from here. Hide January, February and March worksheets. So here is a January, February and March worksheet. We have to hide that one. Okay, so not group them, simply hide them. Okay, and right click on there and hide, then right click, hide, then right click and hide. Okay, so all three worksheets are hidden. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to hide January, February, and March worksheet. We have done that one. So question number 5, question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. You want to enter title and apply cell style to 3 worksheet at the same time. Okay, so in question number 3, that was just simply instruction about question number 3. Okay, our main part of question number 3 start from here. Group April, May, and June worksheet. That is first part. We have to make group of April, then May, then June worksheet. Okay, all 3 worksheet are in group form. How can we make that in group? Simply select April, then hold on control key, then select May, then June. Okay, for all 3 we have to hold on control key. So question number 3 party is done. Then in next part we have to enter saving income expenses in cell E1. Okay, we just simply copy this sentence from here and paste that in E1 here. Okay, then select A1 to C1 and apply heading 1 cell style. Now we have to select A1 to C1 and there we have to apply cell style. Which one? Heading 1 cell style. This one. Yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to make the group. So in first part of question number 3, we have to make group of April, May, and June worksheet. Then we have to enter savings, income, and expenses in cell E1. After that, then we have to select the range A1 to C1, and there we have to apply heading 1 cell style. So after solving question number 3, we get this one. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 4. With a worksheet group, yes, that is already in group form. You may see, yes. Then what we have to do? You want to calculate. The ending saving balance. Okay. So this line mean this is the instruction of question number. This is the instruction of question number 4. Okay, our main part of question number 4 is start from here. Okay, in cell C6, our main focus on cell C6. Okay, where is C6? Here is C6, I think so. Okay, and then what we have to do there? We have to add the beginning saving balance to monthly saving balance. Okay, beginning and monthly. So we have to equal then sum, then simply press enter. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we just move towards cell C6 and there we have to add beginning saving balance to the monthly saving added, and we have done and we get this result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. We may use there also sum function, or there may be we use equal then this one plus this one. Okay, both have same result. Okay, we can use both formulas there. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. In question number 5, what we have to do? 3 worksheet should have 3D reference to other worksheet. So ungroup worksheet. First we have to ungroup the worksheet. So for that, right click on any group sheet. There is ungroup option. Okay, now all 3 worksheet are ungroup. Okay, then display May worksheet. Now we have to move toward May worksheet. Yes, then in cell C4 create formula 3D reference. Where is C4? Yes, here is C4. We have to create 3D function 3D reference to cell C6 ending saving balance in April worksheet. Okay, so for 3D mean equal sign, then move toward April, and what cell we have to select there? We have to select C6. This one, yes, press enter. Okay, so question number 5 part 1 and 2 is done. Now we are moving toward part 3 of question number 5. Display the June worksheet. Okay, then in a C4, where is June worksheet? Here is June worksheet. Then we move towards cell C4. Here is C4. Then create 3D reference to cell C6 in a May worksheet. Equal. Then move toward May worksheet. Where is C6? There is C6. Press enter. Yes. So question number 5, part A, B, C is done. Now we are moving toward part D. Display quarter 2 worksheet. Now we have to move toward quarter 2 worksheet. Then in a cell C4, where is a C4? No. Yes, here is C4. Then create formula 3D reference to C6 of a June worksheet. So equal, move toward June worksheet, and where is C6? Here is C6. Press enter. Okay. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 there are 4 parts, and we have solved each and every part step by step. In first part we have to ungroup the worksheet, and in next part we have to display May worksheet. In cell C4 we have to create formula with 3D reference to cell C6 of April worksheet. Then in next part we have to display June worksheet. Then in cell C4 we have to create formula with 3D reference to cell C6 in May worksheet. Then display the quarter 2 worksheet. In cell C4 create formula with 3D reference to cell C6 in June worksheet. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. You are ready to build function with 3D reference to the sum data for all 3 months on quarter 2 worksheet. So with quarter 2 worksheet active, first we have to active quarter 2 worksheet. This one that is already active. Then select C9 and insert sum function. Where is C9? Yes, there, and equal, then write sum function. Then with 3D reference, okay, to total salary amount of all three months. Total salary amount of all 3 months. Mean first we have to move toward there. Total salary month. Yes, this one. Then hold on shift key and select May, then June, then simply press enter and we get the result. Okay. Then copy the function in C9 to cell C21 and C23. Copy this function to which one? To C21. Where is C21? We just move to yes, there is C21. Then next C23 in here. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6 with quarter 2 worksheet active, select cell C9 and insert sum function with 3D reference to total salary amount for all 3 months. Then copy function in cell C9 to cell C21 and C23. So question number 6 is done. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10 up to question number 20 step by step. Okay. So you may see we have solved almost half of assignment in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed XP25 Excel Chapter 9 ML1 expenses. In start, we just discussed project description. Then we move toward question number 1 in grid report. Then we solve question number 2 step by step. Then we solve question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, we have to make group of April, May, and June worksheet. Then we enter saving income and expenses in cell E1, then select range E1, C1 and apply heading 1 style. Then we move toward question number 4 and there we just move toward cell C6 and add beginning saving balance to the monthly saving added. Then question number 5, we have solved question number 5. Question number 5 is quite big one. In short, we just move ungroup the worksheet, then display May worksheet, and in cell C4 we have to create 3D reference to cell C6 of April, then display June worksheet, then move towards C4 and create 3D reference to cell C6 of May worksheet, and in last part of question number 5 here, display quarter 2 worksheet in cell C4, create formula with 3D reference in cell C4 of June. Then same way we will solve question number, we have solved question number 6. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. It's my guarantee, it's my promise that whenever I will solve your assignment, your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes and your result will be 100%. Price will be reasonable so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.